How to fix home accessories app draining iPhone battery in iOS 16.6 or 17. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Launch the settings application on your device. Scroll down and find the TV option there and tap on that. Here, under Siri and Search, you will see the option for live activities. Tap on that and make sure the toggle button for Allow Live Activities and More Frequent Updates is toggled off in order to fix the battery draining issue. As you can see here, allowing more frequent updates lets you see more real-time information but can drain your battery faster. So go ahead and toggle off these buttons. Next, turn off background app refresh on your iPhone. To turn off background app refresh, go back to settings and tap on general. You will see the option for background app refresh. Tap on that and then tap on background app refresh and select the option for off. If you need background app refresh for some apps, then just toggle on that particular app and toggle off most of the apps in your background app refresh, and by now your problem should have been fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.